What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Can you stop yelling so much, please? Okay, deal. Okay, guys, so today, finally, bam, the snap pads have arrived here. Now, a couple reasons why I got these. I'm gonna give you some pros. I don't know really of any con, if there would be a con, but so these obviously, guys, are for the jacks. Now, the pro that I'm going to let you know, and the reason why I purchased these. My main thing is, well, you don't want to scuff up, you know, your nice, clean jack. You know, it's nice, clean, shiny. You don't want to scuff them up. Put them on like rock like this. This will destroy the bottom of the jack. I know you're probably thinking, Eddie, it's the bottom of the jack, dude. I know, but I like to keep my stuff clean. Number two, believe it or not, is some sites, and this is what I heard, so some campgrounds that you go to, they will actually not allow you to pretty much put your jacks down, or, I got everybody yelling over here in the background, sorry. They will not allow you to actually put their jacks on the concrete if it's gonna scuff them up, scratch them, stuff like that. Now, I personally never, you know, heard of a story where they got kicked out of a campground because they had no, you know, snap pads or wood or something to put under the jacks. But that's what I hear, that some campgrounds, they want that. Number three, the main pro that I like mainly is for, I don't know, I'm not gonna say if it's for desert, but I hear that these things, even if you're in soft sand or in the desert or anything like that, this acts like a piece of wood, so you don't have to get down in there and put a piece of wood. Now, I haven't used these in the desert yet. Remember these, I literally just put these jacks on during summer. So it's, you know, it's not, obviously not winter yet, so it's not desert season yet. But another thing is, look how wide, you know, this thing is. I mean, this thing is extremely wide. So I'm going to measure the jack that I have right now, and I'm gonna measure this and see how much more base I'm gonna be getting, you know, or how much more base will be on the floor. So if that's, you know, 7-inch, see if it's a 9-inch, I don't know. But this also is, they seem very beefy, it's pretty heavy. And I heard they are actually made out of recycled, like recycled tires and rubber and stuff. So it's a pretty, it looks pretty hefty and durable. And they say once you put these things on, that's it. They don't come off, you just leave them on, and that's that. So how to put them on, everybody's saying, and I haven't read the directions. I mean, well, because I don't really think there's much to it. I mean, I would assume you just put some dishwashing soap I'm gonna have right here, good old Dawn, and we're gonna put some, you know, around here, and put the jacks down. Now, because mine come down in pairs, I'm gonna put one on this side, one on that side, and then we will bring the jacks down and watch it snap in. And that should be it, guys. And then I won't even have to use these pieces of wood. So that's another reason why I use these wood. Or pieces of wood is because, well, I don't want to destroy the bottom of, you know, my jack, like I said, and have it put down on rocks and then leave and rocks stuck in there, you know, because there is a nut in there that's holding that on if that needs to be replaced. So I just want to try to keep it as clean as possible. All right, guys, first things first, we're going to turn the system on and retract all the jacks. So we're going to hit retract, or all retract. And that's it. They should all be coming down right now. There you go. Gonna bring the front down. It's gonna pretty much sit on this thing. Just like that. Let's wait. And this thing will tell me, so it's saying here, see, operating. So once this is done beeping, then it's gonna let me know that, all right, all the jacks are down and we're nice and leveled. Okay, I don't think I have to show you, but just in case, I will show you how I'm doing it. So that's it. Take a little Dawn soap, rub it on there for a little lubricant. It's not that difficult. And then we'll start the first pad, and I don't think I need to show you guys the rest of them. I'm sure you got it from there. Okay, guys, so what I want to do now is I want to measure the difference between just the regular jack that we got here, and I'm going to measure the snap pad next. So we got here a 7-inch wide plate that comes with the, you got to come up a little bit. Sorry, I'm trying out a new camera girl.
Look at this face.
Hey, your hair is all in the dish soap over here. Yeah, you're dipping your hair. Okay, so that was 7-inch, guys. Now this right here, this base is a 9-inch. Yes. Okay, fine. I won't need a camera girl. I'm sorry, guys. So like I said, this is a 9-inch base. So I have now gained 2 inches of platform now to go down on the jacks when I'm using the jack. So now let's get these things installed. I got the dishwasher soap on it. So we're gonna put one on this side, one on the other side, bring it down, and I'm gonna show you guys how to snap these on. Where's your pants? You need to put on some pants. I'm done. All right, guys, so now we're gonna bring these down the front just a little bit. And you'll see that one's coming down right over there. And then actually I'm gonna go to that side because I think that side, because it leans just a little bit, yeah, you can see that side over there. So let's take the pad. We'll set one here and one on that side. All right, so we're gonna, let's adjust this thing a little bit over here. This is very hard while I'm holding this and holding the camera for you over here. But we're gonna bring it on over like that, like that, like that. Okay. All right, I think that one's ready to come on down. We'll go to the other side now and get them lined up and bring them down. All right, and well, just like that, guys, they're snapped in. That was pretty easy. Obviously, because we put some of the dishwashing soap on there. What is going on over there? All right, let's go rear. Here we go. And yeah, that one should be popping on. Bam. Just like that. They're on, guys. It's that easy. So one thing they say, guys, and I'm just checking because it just went on so easy. They say, oh, when you gotta take these things off, boy, you gotta cut these things off. Like Sawzall. Yeah, I mean, I can pull it off right now. So, you know, I don't know. I'm not sure why they say that. I mean, obviously, it ain't gonna fall off. This thing will not fall, so that's good. Maybe it's just this type of pad, you know, I would assume, but I don't know. I mean, I'm happy. I got, you know, fatter plate. Hopefully these things won't sink when I go to the desert. And well, I guess, I don't know. We'll see. You know, everybody says great things about them. Not saying, you know, it's a bad thing about it. Just doesn't, you know, seem like it's on there very strong, which as long as I'm driving, the thing don't, you know, fly off on me, I'm good. You know, that's the main thing. I mean, it even says it on the box. Make your leveling system truly automatic. I would assume that means you don't have to get out and put anything under the jack. That's why they say that. But yeah, you know, I guess we'll see. All right, guys, so now that the snap pads are done, give you a little bonus over here. If you got a rammer, a little Ram truck over here, 1500, 2500, it's pretty much all the same thing. We're gonna swap out the cabin air filter. So the first step you gotta do, well, the first thing is the cabin air filter's in there. You gotta pop this glove compartment out. So let me turn this light on. So right here, see, this is like the little dampener, so it comes down nice and slow. Just pop this thing out. It's gonna push in like this. I kind of need 2 hands for this. 1 sec here. So this clip right here, just push down, and then once you push it down, you can pop it out. It's gonna get sucked back in. It's no big deal because you can just grab it once you're done. And then you got little tabs right here. Just pull this out. Like that. And then you can, some people pull the whole glove compartment off. I do, so everything doesn't fall out of it. That's it. And then everything, show you the light. See it right there. See it where it says airflow? And then see these little tabs? Just push that tab in, push this tab in right here. Obviously I need 2 hands again for that. And it will come out. I'll show you right now. Put your hands like that, tab there, pull this. See how that side's loose right there. And then pop that one out. And bam, that's it. And it shows you here the airflow. It's going down. So let's pull this out. And this will show you also airflow right here. There you go, see that? Woo, look at that. That's pretty dirty. Pretty dirty. I'll go show you the new one that I got real quick. Look at that, guys. Look at the old one compared to the new one. I mean, this thing's got like, what the heck does this thing got? It's got all kinds of crap. Look at that. Oh, damn, that's nasty. Sit, slide that bad boy in there. Just like that. It's just like that. Take this back and pop it back in. And that's it, guys. Once that popped on, or popped back on it, put this back. Remember, you push down to take it off, so you're just gonna push it up. See that little clip right there? That's it. And then you just put it back up. That piece right there is pretty much so when you open it, it falls down slow. So that's mainly what that's for. It's its only job. So there you go, guys. Little snap pad, little cabin air filter, little air filter for you, all in one video, just for you. But that's all I got for you guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.